Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Tennessee sales tax account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then using your web search box, type in Tennessee sales tax login and start your search. Now from the search results, click on the first link which says File and Pay your Tennessee state government tax. You will then be taken into the File and Pay page for the Department of Revenue for the Tennessee government. Click on File on TNTAP and you will be taken into the login portal where you can log into your account using your credentials. Now within the username section, just type in the user ID that you have created and then within the password section, type in your account password. Then click on the login button and this will log you in to your account on the Tennessee sales tax website. In case you forget your password, you can click on Forgot Username or Password button underneath the login button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how you can log into your account on the Tennessee sales tax website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.